Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a game pass on Roblox. So if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel Karam, like the video. So let's start the video. So first of all, go to the Roblox website, uh, which is roblox.com. So once you enter the website, just enter it. Now scroll down and tap on this continue browser. Once you here guys, just make sure that you are logged in your ID or the account. So once you logged in, once the page is come up on your screen, this page will come up on your screen, just tap on the create option to create Roblox game passes. Once you here guys, just tap on three dots, enable the desktop side mode to open in desktop mode. So now guys, once you reach this page, so since the new update, the interface has changed. So if you are not familiar with this, don't try to skip any part of this video. So once you here in experience, just tap on this experience image, and now tap on the menu option and go to associate items. Now, so to create a pass guys, you can see there is a passes option, and which is a tab. So just tap on it, and so to create game passes, you have to tap on this create a pass. Now if you want to create a pass, the similar steps: upload the image here first of all, and make sure the image is in the given format. And now you have to enter the name and description, and then you have to tap on this create pass option to create passes. So let's do that. First of all, let me upload the image here. So I'm gonna upload this image. Now enter the name of the pass. So yeah, now enter the description of the pass. So fine, once you're done, just tap on the create pass button. So tap on it. So now you guys, your pass has been created, but we are need to configure it to set up for the stand. So just tap on it to configure it. So in the previous version of Roblox, we usually have a configure button at the bottom of the game pass, but now in this new update, you have to enter or you have to tap on the game pass and then go to menu and tap on the sale option. Once you here, just enable the item for sale and set the price of it. So I'm gonna set it for 20 Robux. So creator will get 70% of it, so I will get 14%, 14 Robux of it. So just tap on the save changes. Now my game pass has been set up for the stand. Now we have to open the please donate game and set it up for the stand. So let's do that. Once you open the Roblox, tap on Roblox, please donate, and tap on the play button. Now once you enter into the game, now go look for the empty stand. So yeah, just hold this stand button, and your game pass will be listed here. You can see. So these are the game passes I have created. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.